Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Young's Life Tips channel. If you like my video, please thumb up. Please also subscribe to my channel. You will not miss any future video. Hello everyone, today I got a new toy, Nescafe Dog Capsule, the coffee machine. So this is beautiful. I just got this. It looks lovely, and you can make a cup of professional coffee with this new toy. You have so many different flavors, options you can make at home. Here, show you clearly how you open it. First step, you lift up the machine from the top. Second, you remove the teapot holder. Third, you can see the flashing light on the left hand side. Here, I show you on the top right there is a small button. You can either add hot water or cold water. You have a filter holder here. You can put in the capsules. On the bottom, you have the cup holder. What the machine will offer you is 15 bars maximum. You got the hermetically sealed capsules. You can have both hot and cold drink with this machine. You also can have 1 minute eco model, which saves you energy. You can see the beautiful coffee collections. Cappuccino, Cafe au latte, logo. This is espresso. You can even mix some beautiful coffee with the machine. I'm going to show you how to use a coffee machine. First, you need to top up the waters in the tank. Then you need to choose the pours. Today I have two different pours. One is cappuccino, one is cafe au latte. So yeah, you need to first open this. Take this out. You see there is one plastic cup which is for washing the machine. Take this out. The cappuccino, you have two capsules. On the capsule, you have a different code which tell the machine what they need to do. This one is H22. This one is L19. What you do, you first put one of these, and you see here, this is the direction. Just push this in, and then close this. Put up underneath. Here, on the left hand side, there is a light. When the light is green, which means it's okay. On the top here, you have a handle. To the left, it's cold. If you need a cold drink to the left, if you want to make hot drink to the right, just push this button. You see the hot coffee is caramel, very nice color. The machine is a big noise. You see, very nice, the color and the bubbles. Stop this, open the machine, take this disc out, put the milk disc in, push this up, take this holder out, put the capsule in, then push this down, then you can start. Then turn on the right. This is the cafe latte. Okay, you can put this capsule inside the machine. Press down. Get the water. Then what you do is you push the button to the right hand side. First you need to get the coffee. When you stop, take this capsule out. The problem with this machine is inside here. You can see here, you still have lots of water inside, which is a big waste. Each time you have one capsule of the water, you have to throw away. So you see, when you place this, even in the bin, the water is drop. So this is not very good at all. Then what you need to do, you can avoid this problem, is each time when you top up the water, you only top up enough. For example, 1 cup. For example, if I only have 1 cup of water in the water tank, then when you do this again, so another thing is you can see the cup will move around, which is not very good as well. So this will use all the waters. Okay, you can see the water will be drained off completely. That's it. So this time, this is complete drained off. There's no water inside. So basically, each time when you make your cup of coffee, you only put 1 cup of water in. In this way, you can drain everything inside here out of the capsule into your cup. You do not waste water each time. Okay, the last question I want to show you is some friend maybe say, okay, I have a coffee machine, but however, I don't like the capsule. I want to make my own cup of coffee or hot chocolate, or I want to make a cup of hot tea myself using a different brand. In that way, can I still use the coffee machine? The answer is yes. For example, here, I will show you how to do that. So in my hand here, I have 3 capsules from the company. This is the cappuccino, the coffee part. This one is the cappuccino milk part. And this one is the cafe outline pot. These 3 pots are different because this one you got coffee powder inside. So even after you make the coffee, you still have the powder inside, which you have to remove that. These 2 capsules, after you make the coffee, and they are empty. What I'll do, I will start with the one in my right hand side first. You need to open the top. Be careful, do not hurt yourself, your finger. Just follow the edge of the inside. Go all the way through. So you go all the way through this. Right, you can see inside is completely empty. So what you can do now, you can instead put the original capsule when you want to make your own coffee, hot chocolate or tea. You just put this empty cup in your capsule holder, then you can choose to add hot water or cold water or choose the amount you want. So this is very easy. If you say you do not have this capsule, then what you can do, you can use this milk capsule. Similarly, so you already have a hole here, just cut all the way through. The safe way when you cut this is you do not move the knife. The knife just move as a saw, but what you do is you try to use the left hand side to twist capsule box anti-clockwise. Right. Yeah, you can see this one is the same as the one I just showed you. This is the milk for the cappuccino capsule. So this is empty inside. You can directly use it. Let's have a look finally the capsule for the coffee part of the cappuccino. Again, you cut from here. Then you can see my knife do not really push to my left hand side, but instead I twist, use my thumb and finger, twist the capsule box. Okay, right. Can you see, after you open that, there is another level of seal. Underneath that are coffee powder. I just open it to show you. So basically, you can, if you wish, to cut this layer out, then just discard the coffee powder. Right, you see, I discard coffee powder. The inside is empty. What you do is just use water, clean this up. Then you can use this capsule to make your own coffee, hot chocolate or tea. This is very handy. You can use any of the coffee you can purchase from the supermarket, and you can use a tea leaf, the tea bag as well. You can use chocolate. This sometimes could make yourself have more choice and also save your money too. This is very important. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope this tip will help you. If you like my video, please thumb up, and please also subscribe to my channel. You will not miss any future new videos. Thank you very much.